Measuring refractive error using a Foropter. You will need the folding Foropter, observation card. Understanding the Foropter. The Foropter has a lens on the side where you have to place your eye. The other side has an observation window. At the side of the lens, there is a flap which is called the eye patch, which you can use to block the other eye. On the top, you can see the results. Step 2. The Foropter has to be kept 10 feet away from the person and it has to be at eye level. Step 3. Hold the Foropter with the lens to one eye and let the eye patch cover the other eye as shown in the video. Then, using the other hand, move the observation window forward and backward till you can see the image on the observation card clearly as shown in the video. Step 5. Interpreting the test results. You have to use the Foropter thrice for each eye and you have to note them down 3 times. A positive reading, that is above 0.5, indicates it is hypermetropia or far-sightedness. And if you have a negative reading that is less than 0.5, suggests myopia, which is nearsightedness. In hypermetropia, the person is able to see objects far away clearly, and the objects that are close are blurred out. And in myopia, the person can see objects close by clearly, and objects far are not clear and are blur. Data entry for the vision test. For the vision test in the mobile app, you have to enter all the 3 readings. First, for the left eye, you have to enter the 3 readings, reading 1, 2 and 3 as shown in the video. And then you have to enter the right eye. In order to find the approximate value of the eyesight, you have to take the average of all the 3 tests for each eye.